you have trouble organizing all of your clamps? Do you struggle to find a place for everything in your tiny workshop? Is this causing you marital issues?
Hold on a second. Okay.
Does this cause you to break down, hate yourself, your cat, and start to question the meaning of life? You're pathetic.
Whoa.
No, wait, there's a solution to that. Build a clever storage shelf with integrated clamp rack, lighting, and poisonous shot glass storage. Marriage issue resolution not guaranteed. Clamp rack.
Hey, thank you for watching. Now my channel is all about building things, but more specifically, it's about evolving, trying, and learning new things. Skillshare's philosophy aligns perfectly with that. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of classes in design, business, and even video production, like what I do. The premium membership gives you unlimited access to all of their classes. Now I actually use this service myself. I recently switched my video editing software to Premiere Pro, a much different and more complicated program than what I was using before. One of Skillshare's courses specifically teaches you the way around this program. With these very concise lessons that made the learning process super efficient so I could keep pumping out projects and videos for you guys even while learning this new program. Now, Skillshare has given me an exclusive offer to share with my viewers. Use the link below to get their awesome offer of your first 2 months for only 99 cents. That's literally less than $1. And this is limited to just the first 500 people, so act quick. And lastly, thanks to all of you and to Skillshare for supporting what I do and making this video possible.